Bitcoin futures, I'm zoomed out on this market as well, and you can pretty easily see where that supply from the left is sitting. I don't expect supply will be anywhere near as high through here. There may be a little bit more up here as price gets up there, but that wider view gives you a good example of where the market is. Now, just while we're out here, this is where I expect accumulation took place. I think this was an unfortunate event that wasn't expected, and the market gathered itself up and used that as part of the accumulation in the end. This is where the broker went broke or whatever. I think the accumulation was going to take place through here, and this was an unexpected event. But the markets just have to absorb that sort of thing. Things happen in the markets. They just happen, and you've got to deal with it and get on with it. And that's what the market did, and it went sideways in response. Then it went through its normal process of challenging any sellers during this period before it accelerated out. If you extend the highs of the range across, you can see that price broke out, came back and tested. We marked the breakout level there. That caught this. Price came back. Secondary test of the highs of the range here before price accelerated higher. And all of this may have been because there was anticipation of supply to the left here. That was an attempt to shake out some of that, this extended period. These people would have been waiting and hoping that price came back to them so they could get out for break even. And this extended period through here was perhaps a way of frustrating some of these people into selling down here, so there wasn't so much supply available up here when the market did move up. And price did move up. Price went into absorption mode originally and then accelerated up to the highs of the range and has been consolidating over the last 2 weeks. And it's looking pretty good, to be honest. It's looking fine. Last week pulled back, closed well off its low on reduced volume. This week tested for supply below the previous bar's close and then pushed up on a slight increase in volume, but still below the average, just slightly. This is a nice little period of consolidation, and when the timing's right and conditions are favourable for trading, I expect this market will attempt to push out. I don't think there'll be any serious supply here or here. There may be a little bit stronger supply up here if and when price gets up there. But this market is in consolidation mode at the highs of this range. It does appear that the supply that was trapped at this level has probably been absorbed now, and that will allow this market to make a challenge towards the 50,000 level when trading conditions are favourable.